Hey guys, welcome back to IAR Investment World. Today we're diving into the exciting world of finance. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably hear the words investment and trading thrown around a lot. But what do they actually mean? Are they the same thing? And most importantly, which one is right for you? That's exactly what we're going to be figuring out, right here, right now. Okay, so let's break it down. Investment and trading might sound similar, but trust me, they're as different as chai and filter coffee. Both amazing in their own way. Investing is like a long-term relationship. You're in it for the long haul. Think of it like planting a mango tree. You nurture it, watch it grow, and reap the sweet rewards, mangoes duh, years later. Trading, on the other hand, is like that quick trip to the supermarket. You're in and out, aiming for quick profits from short-term market fluctuations. It's more about riding the waves and making the most of those ups and downs. Think of legendary investors like Warren Buffett and Ratan Tata. They've built empires by investing wisely over decades. And when it comes to trading, we've got legends like George Soros and our very own Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, who've mastered the art of timing the market. Remember, both paths have their own pros and cons, just like choosing between a plate of samosas or a lutiki. Let's face it, guys. Every coin has two sides, and the world of finance is no different. Investment, with its long-term approach, offers the potential for incredible wealth creation over time. It's like that fixed deposit that keeps growing steadily, compounding your returns. Plus, it's less demanding. You don't need to be glued to the stock market every second. However, it requires patience, discipline, and the ability to stomach those occasional market hiccups. Remember the time when the market crashed? Yeah, investors gotta ride those waves too. Trading, on the other hand, is all about speed and agility. You can make quick profits by capitalizing on short-term market movements. It's exciting, fast-paced, and can be highly rewarding if you play your cards right. But hold on, there's a catch. Trading can be highly risky, especially for beginners. It requires deep market knowledge, constant monitoring, and nerves of steel to handle those sudden dips and spikes. You know, guys, I've always believed that learning from the best is the smartest shortcut to success. And when it comes to the world of finance, who better to learn from than the legends themselves? Warren Buffett, the OG of investing, once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." See, even Buffett believes in the power of patience. On the trading side, we have the one and only Jesse Livermore, who famously said, "It never was my thinking that made the big money for me. It always was my sitting." It's all about timing and knowing when to hold back, guys. And hey, let's not forget our very own Chanakya, who said, "Invest a portion of your wealth in risk-free assets and another portion in ventures with calculated risks." See, balance is key, whether you're investing or trading. Alright guys, enough with all the talking. Let's bring in some visuals to make things crystal clear. Look at this graph. This is what long-term investment looks like. Slow and steady wins the race, right? And here's a glimpse into the fast-paced world of trading. Exciting, isn't it? So there you have it, guys. The ultimate showdown between investment and trading. We've talked about the differences, the pros and cons, and even heard some words of wisdom from the masters themselves. But remember, at the end of the day, the best choice for you depends on your individual financial goals, risk appetite, and time commitment. Are you in it for the long haul, like a true blue investor? Or are you all about that fast-paced trading life? Whatever you choose, make sure you do your research, understand the risks involved, and most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thank you so much for joining me on this exciting journey into the world of investment and trading. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. Remember, the best investment you can ever make is in yourself and your knowledge. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep those financial dreams alive. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer. The content provided is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice.